All right, as promised, I told you guys I would help you guys with some of your homework. This is number 15 on our sheets. Let me see here. So what you're gonna do is write your two numbers, right? We have 24 and 30. And now we're gonna write our little ladder and figure out what numbers can go into both these numbers. Well, I know they're both even numbers, so that means I can divide by 2. Now, if you wanted to, you can use a bigger number, but I'm gonna do 2 right now because I like starting off easy like that. So what's 24 divided by 2? Well, that's 12. And what's 30 divided by 2? That's 15. So I'll go down to my next ladder. And now I have to think, okay, am I done here? Can I put any numbers in here? Can I divide 12 by 2? Yes. Can I divide 15 by 2? No. So let's go to the next number, which is 3. Can I divide 12 by 3? Well, yeah. 12 divided by 3 equals 4, right? And then 15, can that be divided by 3? Yes. And I could do 15 divided by 3, which equals 5. So I'm going to put 3 here. And I'm going to say 12 divided by 3 equals 4. And 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Now these numbers are prime, the 4 and the 5. Let me see here, 4 and the 5. So I can't go any further. And so if I drew my ladder and I went further, if I tried to, the only number that goes into both these numbers evenly is 1. So now I'm done. All I have to do is take my numbers. So I had 2 times 3 times 1, right? And what does that equal? That equals 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So my GCF equals 6. All right, I'll do one more. All right, last one I'm doing is number 21. And let me see here. I'm going to always start off by writing my two numbers. I have 180 and 54, right? I'm going to draw. Ooh, that didn't work. Let's go back. Sorry, I'm using this pen. It's not working very well for me. So 180 and 54. So I'm going to divide these by 2 because they're even, right? And now I get 90. And I get, what's 54? So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Oh, that's not going to work. That was bad math. Okay, 54 divided by 2 is 27, right? There we go. And you can do it the old-fashioned way to try to figure out what 54 divided by 2 is. Like I could have done this. Divided by 2. 2 goes into 5 2 times. I'm left with 1. Bring down this. 2 times 7 equals 14. So that's how I got that number right there. So let me get rid of this. Oh, wait. That's not what I want to do. I know it. Sorry, guys. I'm using a new pen that lets me write a little bit better, but it's hard to control. Okay. And that's the bell. So we're going to now continue. Can we divide these numbers by anything? Yes. I'm going to think big this time. Because I know 90 easily is divided by 9, right? And then what's 27 divided by 9? Does that work? It sure does. So let's divide by 9. 90 divided by 9 is 10. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Now I'm down to my next number. Can I divide 10 by 2? No. Or yes, but I can't do 3. Can I divide 10 by 3? No. So I'm done here. The only number that's going to work is 1. So what I'm going to do now is just take my 3 numbers over here on the side, right? 1, 9, and 2. And if you guys want to take a shortcut, it's really, you don't need to multiply by the 1, right? It's just 2 and 9, because we know when you multiply by 1, you're left with nothing. So it's going to be 9 times 2, which equals 18. So our GCF equals 18. All right, hope this helped. If not, come back with questions tomorrow, and we'll keep working it out. This was the cake method, which I prefer. I could have done the other method. I'm not going to do it right now, though. All right, have a good one, guys.